What is up, guys? It's your boy Kano, and welcome back to another video, guys. So today we're going to be working on the crew cab, getting a couple things ready, taking a couple things off that I don't like. So let's get to it. So the plan for today, guys, is to get rid of this ugly hitch. Yeah, look at how ugly it is. It just sticks down too much. So we're going to be getting rid of that, seeing what's up with all these wires sticking out for the trailer. I did get this bed cover. You probably noticed that. It's just going to be temporary. I paid $40 for it on Marketplace, guys. I couldn't pass it up. So we went ahead and bought it. Now, the reason why I bought it was, if y'all remember on the previous video, the whole inside of the truck had all the engine components to it, all the parts. Here's all the engine components that I was talking about. Intake, water pump, all the things they took out of the truck. So, piston heads. Those supposed to be the rebuild kit. It's right there. But yeah, let's go ahead and start taking off this hitch. I got the impact, ratchet, a couple little tools, some gloves in case things get nasty. Ooh, this thing has a spare. So if y'all really think about it, the spare is going to be trash, being that we're going 5-lug. So let me go ahead and get the spare down first. So first time really being under the truck. A lot of surface rust, that's for sure, but it's definitely surface rust. So I can't wait to take the bed off and be able to pressure wash everything and take care of everything. She actually has an aftermarket exhaust. I don't know what it is. 2 in, 1 out. So that's good. I'm actually happy that the wiring is not messed with. The last couple crew cabs that I've had, man, they mess with the wiring so bad. This is literally all these all these wires come down to this plug right here. So if I'm not mistaken, you could just, there we go, like nothing ever happened. So a couple bolts right here, 19 millimeter. We got 3 on each side, guys. I got a little WD-40 that we're gonna be, it's not the proper WD-40 that I'm supposed to be using, but it's all I got. So we're gonna spray them down a little bit, let them soak up, and we'll take them off. It is the next day. We took off the hitch yesterday. We took off the 8-lug spare that we're not going to need no more once we get the truck back. I just spoke to my mechanic, Mr. Aaron, and he's on his way up here right now. He lives right here close by. He's on his way over here with the dolly, so he could take the truck already, so he could do the engine swap. Now, once we get that situated, once we get the truck back, I already have the differential. I already have most of the components to do the 5-lug conversion as soon as we get the truck back, guys. So I really just been waiting for him to take the truck and, you know, have a full running truck before we actually start doing all these suspension upgrades. But yeah, I mean, let's wait for him to get here, guys, and then hopefully it'll take a couple days. I don't know, maybe a week or two, hopefully, and we get the truck fully back and running, and then that way we can start doing all the suspension upgrades, you know, tear off all the interior, start cleaning things up, you know, start modifying everything else. So let's wait for Mr. Aaron to get here. Ah, es que sabe que tengo canal de YouTube, estoy grabando todo el proceso de la camioneta.
No, yo sé.
Cuando me haga millonario, Aaron, yo le hablo y le doy unos $100, no se preocupe.
No quiero que te quedes pobre.
Está bueno el setup ese, ¿usted le puso todo?
¿Qué? Sí.
Todo el winch y todo. Yeah.
Así mira, yo trabajo solo, chavo.
Sí, yo también, no se preocupe.
Entonces, haz de cuenta que
Tiene que facilitarse las cosas.
no, imagínate, ¿cómo lo subes?
Yeah. Casi no pesa la troca, bro. ¿Ay? ¿O más? Casi no pesa la troca, bro. ¿Ya sabe cuánto pesa? ¿Quiere que le diga? 5,000 o 5,500. Y todo es el peso, es todo el diferencial y todo ese desmadre. Está bien pesado toda la suspensión. Ahí se va. Ok, aquí qué hago, la pongo así como estaba. Pues si no va a comer pavo usted ahora o qué.
Ay, mira.
A la noche.
Pues ya ahí tienen ahí. A mí casi nunca me ha gustado el pavo.
O usted es de tamalero
Nomás
y pozolero.
no, nomás una vez hicieron un pavo tan rico y estaba bien.
Jugoso y todo.
Sí.
What's that?
Turkey ass. Eat up, sucker.